வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே, இது உங்கள் வைரவ பழனிசாமி. நம்ம வந்து யூபிஎஸ்சி சிவில் சர்வீஸ் எக்ஸாம் 2024 ப்ரிலிமினரி எக்ஸாமோடைய ஜெனரல் ஸ்டடீஸ் பேப்பர் 1 மாடல் டெஸ்ட் 1ல் பார்ட் 3 பார்க்க போகிறோம். இது வந்து 25 கொஸ்டின்ஸ் அண்ட் மேக்ஸிமம் டைம் வந்து 30 மினிட்ஸ். நம்ம ஏற்கனவே சொன்னோம், இதை நம்ம எப்படி பைஃபர்கேட் ஏன் பண்ணினோம்னா பெரிய வீடியோ படையில் நிறைய பிரச்சனை வருது அப்படிங்கிறதுக்காக நம்ம இதை பைஃபர்கேட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஓகே, கொஸ்டின் நம்பர் 76. Which types of biotic interaction is said to be complete when one species harms or restricts the another species without itself being adversely affected or harmed by the presence of the other species? A. Parasitism. B. Commensalism. C. Amensalism. D. Mutualism. So the correct answer is C. Amensalism. Amensalism is a biotic interaction in which one species harms or restricts the other species without itself being adversely affected. யோசித்து பாருங்க, ஒரு ஸ்பீசிஸ் தான் அஃபெக்ட் பண்ணாமல் இன்னொரு ஸ்பீசிஸ் அஃபெக்ட் பண்ணி வாழ்கிறது. தட் இஸ் கால்ட் amensalism. Right? Question number 77. Consider the following statements about Ular Lake. Jhelum River, which originates at the Vairava spring, flows via Srinagar and Ular Lake prior to entering Pakistan. It is the largest freshwater lake in India. 3. The Tulbul project is located at the mouth of this lake. How many of the above statements given above are correct? A. Only 1. B. Only 2. C. Only 3. D. None of the above. The correct answer is C. All the 3. எல்லாமே இது ட்ரூ. ஆனால் இது இவ்வளோ எக்ஸ்பிளனேஷன் பண்ண தேவையில்லை. இட்ஸ் பியூர் ஜாகிரஃபி இதில் உள்ளது. ஸோ we are not explaining. So all the 3 statements are true. Question number 78. Consider the following statements about Havishure vaccine. Havishure vaccine. It is India's first indigenously developed hepatitis C vaccine. It was developed by the Indian Council of Medical Research along with the Department of Science and Technology. Choose the correct statements. A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is D. Neither 1 nor 2. Actually, this is the first indigenous level vaccine. It is not hepatitis C, it is for hepatitis A. That's wrong statement. Second, it was not developed by Indian Council of Medical Research. It was developed by the Indian Immunologist Limited, that is IIL, a wholly owned subsidiary of National Dairy Development Board, that is NDDP. Right? So these are the 2 things, and it's done and it is developed in Havishure, developed in Hyderabad. Okay. Question number 79. Consider the following statements. A. Sniper is a small autonomous aircraft sent to Mars to perform experimental flights test on Mars. 2. It was part of NASA's Perseverance rover mission. 3. Perseverance rover is a robotic explorer on Mars that seeks signs of ancient life. How many of the statements given above are correct? Only 1. B. Only 2. C. All the 3. D. None of the above. The correct answer is B. Only 2 statements. The first statement is wrong statement, that is Ingenuity is a Mars helicopter. Okay, so this is a small and autonomous aircraft that flew Mars on board. Okay, so that first one. Then second, and it was experimental flight. And so this is a wrong statement. Then it was a ingenuity mission and experimental nature completely independent of the rover science mission. இதுக்கும் சம்பந்தமே கிடையாது. So it's totally different. The second one, it is true. It flew to Mars and NASA's Perseverance rover. Perseverance rover is here. So these two are right. And the third also correct. So this is wrong, first statement. So there are two statements true. So B is the answer. Question number 80. IDATE Commission and Rengi Commission are related to A. Empowerment of denotified nomadic, semi-nomadic tribes. B. Framing food policy in long term. C. To prepare a guidelines on agricultural credit system. D. To review all elements of the educational sector. The correct answer is A. Empowerment of denotified nomadic and semi-nomadic tribes. The explanation on it was headed by Bhikkhu Ramji Idate. It was set up by Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, and it's constituted in 2015, and it's a 3-year tenure. And the purpose was to empowerment of the same denotified tribe and semi-nomadic and nomadic tribes, and the committee had to support the report and then identify the issues and all. Okay, so these are the details. And this commission has also studied the earlier report of the Rengi Commission. Rengi Commission also did the same thing. Okay. Question number 81. Consider the following statements about Binturong. 1. It is the largest cavite in India. Maranil cavetungiradhu. Maranil needs tall and healthy forest for its survival. 2. They are classified as critically endangered species. Read this. Critically endangered species by International Union of Conservation of Nature, IUCN. So, C. Incorrect statements. Right? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is B. But so it's a wrong statement. A correct statement, this is true, this is wrong. It is not critically endangered, and it is the vulnerable species. This is vulnerable species, not critically endangered. It's classified. Okay, so that's a difference. Question number 83. Site program recently seen in the news is an initiative of which of the following ministry? Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Ministry of Education, Ministry of Rural Development and Panchayat Raj, D. Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. Actually, site is a strategic interventions for green hydrogen transition. First. So, it is kannamudittu when it's a key green hydrogen transmission. So, of course, transition, it will be Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. Right? Okay. Question number 84. Who established the branch Anushilan Samiti in Patna in 1913 AD? Ramananda Sinha, Satish Jha, Sachindranath Sanyal, Bipin Jha. So the correct answer is C. Sachindranath Sanyal. So it's a branch of Anushan Samiti was established in Patna by him in 1913, and Bankim Chandra Mishra and BN College was given responsibility to lead the organization, right? So, and it was headed by Barindra Kumar Ghosh, the younger brother of Sri Aravinda Ghosh. So, எல்லாமே detail இருக்குது. So, C is the answer. Question number 85. What was the journal Seva Sadan? The Indian Observer, the Bombay Times, the Indian Spectator, D, more than one above. The correct answer is C, the Indian Spectator. Actually, Seva Sadan started in 1908, and it was by Sri Bairamji Malabari and Diwan Dayaram Gudimal. And they determined to emancipate and educate and empower those unfortunate women who were treated as outcast. Okay, so they only brought this Indian Spectator. Right. Okay. Question number 86. Bukthun, a monthly political magazine, was famous in British India. It belongs to which of the following area? A, Malabar area, B, Bombay province, C, North West Frontier province, D, Bengal province. The correct answer is C, North West Frontier province, and it was in Peshawar. Khan Abdul Kabar Khan, educational social reformist, and Kafar Khan, also called as Batsa Khan, and Frontier Kanti, and who started this first push to political monthly Bukthun, and had organized a volunteer brigade called Kodai Kit Matkar. So this all, it's a red shed movement. It's a very famous in history. So it was Khan Abdul Kabar Khan, North West Frontier province. Question number 87. Bandi Jeevan, a book was written by which of the following? Bhagat Singh, Bhukteshwar Dutt, Chandrasekhar Azad, Sachin Sanyal. Direct question. The correct answer is Sachin Sanyal. Actually, Sachin Sanyal was sentenced for life, and he was there because of the conspiracy theory, and he imprisoned in Selura jail in Andaman. So, the book titled Bandi Jeevan, it's a life of captivity. It was 1922. It was released. It was written, right? Okay. Question number 88. Which of the following is or the objectives of Arya Samaj? 1. It fixed the minimum marriageable age 21 years for boys and 15 for girls, to promote equal status for women, and to promote social services like helping the people in crisis like flood, famines, and earthquake. Select the correct answer. Go. A, 1 only, B, 1 and 2 only, C, 2 and 3 only, D, 1, 2 and 3. That means all the statements. The correct answer is C, 2 and 3 only. 1 is a mistake because of the so they Arya Samaj they proposed 25 years for boys and 16 for girls. So that's it. So 21 கிடையாது, 25 and girls 15 கிடையாது, it was 16. So other two are correct. Question number 89. Which of the following is this Delhi proposal of Muslim League? 1. Joint electorate in place of separate electorates with reserved seats for Muslims. 2. 1/3 representation of Muslims in Central Legislative Assembly. 3. Representation of Muslims in Punjab, Bengal and Bombay in proportion to their population. Select the correct answer using the codes given. A, 1 only, B, 1 and 2 only, C, 2 and 3 only, D 1, 2, 3, all the above. That is all the above T. The correct answer is B 1 and 2 only. So, joint electorate, this is true, and one third, and this is also true. இது வந்து Muslims வந்து Punjab and Bengal only, but not in Bombay. Okay, so this was wrong. So, statement 1 and 2 only correct. Question number 90. Consider the following statements regarding opportunity cost. It is the benefits of an alternative given up when one decision is made over another. For companies, opportunity cost do not show up in the financial statements but are useful in planning by management. Which of these statements is are true? A 1 only, B 2 only, C both 1 and 2, D neither 1 nor true. The correct answer is C both 1 and 2. So it's a simple definition. So both are true. Question number 91. As per the RBI definition, personal loans are the loans given to individuals that consist of 1. Loan given for the creation or enhancement of immovable assets. 2. Education loan. 3. Consumer credit. 4. Loans given for investment in financial assets. How many of the above options are correct? A. Only 1. 2. B. Only 2. C. Only 3. D. All the 4. The correct answer is D. All the 4. எல்லாமே ரைட். இதில் இருக்க எல்லா ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட்டுமே ரைட். ஸோ ஆல் தி 4 இஸ் கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். Question number 92. After liberalization, India has undergone structural change in its economy. In this context, which of the following statements best describes structural change? A. Change in demographic characteristics. B. Change in production patterns of basic goods. C. Change in contribution of different sectors of economy. D. Change in labor force rate. So the correct answer is very simple. C. Change in contribution from different sector of economy. டெமோகிராஃபிக்கு சம்மந்தம் கிடையாது, ப்ரொடக்ஷன் பேட்டர்ன் சம்மந்தம் கிடையாது, லேபர் ஃபோர்ஸ் சம்மந்தம் கிடையாது. ஸோ இட்ஸ் பெர்ஃபெக்ட்லி டோல்டு சி கான்ட்ரிபியூஷன். Question number 93. Which of the following are included in calculation of national income of India? 1. Export of IT sector. 2. Salary of employees. 3. Sale of land. How many of the above options are true? A. 1 only. B. Only 2. C. All the 3. D. None. The correct answer is B. Only 2. இல்லைன்னா export will come, salary of employee will come. How the sale of land will become a part of national income? Right? So first 2 are right. So B is the correct answer. Question number 94. Consider the following statements. Deflation refers to period when even though prices are rising, it's happening at a slower rate each passing month. Disinflation is the exact opposition of inflation. Reflation typically follows deflation as policymakers try to pump up economic activity either by government spending more or interest rates being reduced. How many of the above statements are correct? A. Only 1. B. Only 2. C. All the 3. D. None. The correct answer is only one. So இதில் கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர் என்னன்னா டிஸ்இன்ஃப்ளேஷன் இஸ் ஏ ஆப்போசிட் டு இன்ஃப்ளேஷன். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் த ஒன்லி கரெக்ட். அண்டு இதுவும் ராங்கு. டிஃப்ளேஷன் ரெஃபர்ஸ் டு பீரியட், அதுவும் ராங்கு. அண்டு திஸ் இஸ் ஆல்சோ ராங். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் த செகண்ட் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் ஒன்லி கரெக்ட். ஓகே. Question number 95. As per classical economic thought, 1. Markets function best without government interference. 2. If the buyers and sellers in each market take their decisions following only their own self-interest, markets will collapse. Which of the following statements are correct? A. One only. B. Two only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is A. 1 only. Market function without government interference. So this is wrong. This is correct. இதில் நிறைய தாட்ஸ் இருக்குது, அதெல்லாம் நம்ம எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ண முடியாது. ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் தட் சிம்பிள் ஆன்சர். Question number 96. Consider the following statements. The responsibility of conducting monetary policy is explicitly mandated under the Reserve Bank of India Act 1934. The primary objective of monetary policy is to maintain price stability without worrying about the growth. 3. The flexible inflation targeting framework by RBI does not have statutory basis. How many of the above statements are true? A. Only 1. B. Only 2. C. All the 3. D. None. The correct answer is A. Only 1. So the primary objective of the monetary policy is to maintain a public price stability while keeping mind in objective of growth without worrying கிடையாது. So this is wrong. The flexible inflation targeting from RBI does not have a stat. No, they have a role. 1934 itself rule came. So this is right. So only one statement, that first statement right, these two are wrong. Question number 97. Which of the following was or were the policy reforms under Washington Consensus? A. Competitive exchange rates. B. Liberalization of inward foreign direct investment. 3. Privatization of state enterprises. 4. Fiscal discipline. How many of the above statements are true? Only 1, only 2, only 3, all the 4. The correct answer is D. All the 4. Competitive exchange rate is there. Liberalization, it is also there. Privatization of state dependent, it's a big thing, it's going on. Then physical discipline, all 4 are there, all are true. Question number 98. Consider the following statements. Statement 1. Parliamentary system is based on the doctrine of separation of powers between the two organs. Statement 2. The Indian Parliament is not a sovereign body like British Parliament. Which of the following statement is correct in respect of the above? A. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct, and statement 2 is a correct explanation to statement 1. B. Both statement 1 and 2 are correct, but statement 2 is not the correct explanation to statement 1. C. The statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect. D. The statement 1 is incorrect, but statement 2 is correct. The correct answer is D. That is statement 1. That is incorrect. This is true. In a parliamentary system is based on doctrine of separation of powers between. No separation கிடையாது, it's part of it. It's a cooperation, right? Principles of cooperation, coordination between legislation and executive organs, right? And the Indian Parliament is not a sovereign body like British, because British we don't elect, and we elect president, they don't elect president, it is a monarch head. So that's a difference. Question number 99. Consider the following statements. 1. The Constitution of India defines its basic structure in terms of democracy, fundamental rights, federalism, and secularism. 2. The Constitution of India provides for judicial review to safeguard the citizens' liberties and to preserve the ideals on which the Constitution is based. Which of the above statements are true? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is C. Both are incorrect. Both are incorrect. So, it's a basically structure. This is also incorrect and this is also. And இது எப்படின்னா this is a judicial innovation. In fact, the judicial review அப்படி வந்தது, it is a judicial innovation. It is not part of it. And the Constitution of India, when basic structure in சொல்லலை, but it was in Keshavanandi Bharati case later, in 1973 only, it clarified it. So, these both are incorrect. Question number 100. The doctrine of essentiality is often used by the courts in relation to which of the following articles of Indian Constitution? It's a direct question. Article 14, Article 19, Article 21, Article 25. The correct answer is the doctrine of essentiality is often used in relation with Article 25. So D is the answer. So the doctrine of essentiality was invented by the 7-judge bench of Supreme Court in Shirur Mutt case in 1954. So that's a case, right? So thank you very much. In 3 episodes, நம்ம வந்து இந்த first paper முடிச்சிட்டோம். So we try to give one more paper, but that will be bifurcated into 4 sizes. That is 25 questions each, like that, right? So thank you very much. I hope it's useful for the aspirants. Thank you.
வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, பெல் ஐக்கன் பிரஸ் பண்ண மறந்து போயிடாதீங்க. அப்பதான் நாங்க போஸ்ட் பண்ற வீடியோவோட நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் உங்களுக்கு வரும்.